Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. This is gonna be a twin flame read and we're gonna see the energies of divine masculine in this read. Let's see what our divine masculines are going through, how are their current energies, and what their immediate future tells us. Let's see what the energies come up. Okay, let's see if they want to convey something to our divine feminines. Okay. Divine masculine. Traveling. Okay, so current situation money wise, I don't think divine masculines they're going through an okay time, like they're not really focused on job, career, or their finances. I do see this particular divine masculine was actually coming towards you, and this person was coming towards you to approach you, or maybe just to have a word with you. Maybe they were coming out for communication, but I don't see that communication happening for some reason, because we have the Six of Pentacles and that's in the reverse position. So yeah, they were supposed to have this conversation with you, but this communication did not take place, this communication did not happen. And for some of the divine masculine, for whichever divine masculine this read is resonating right now, I do see this divine masculine traveling. Maybe they did not do any kind of communication because they know that, I am traveling, I'll just go meet the divine feminine and then talk to her. Because there are two things going on in the divine masculine's mind, whether they should just come and speak to you or they should just start the communication right away. So they are juggling between these two things. So now they have like made up their mind, okay, let me travel, let me go there, because I see this divine masculine is not in the same city, not in the same province, I would say not even in the same country as of you, as of the divine feminine. So this divine masculine will be traveling towards and going towards this divine feminine energy, and then that will be the time when this particular divine masculine will be communicating. But I don't see they'll be able to communicate as soon as they come. Maybe in the current situation this particular divine masculine has already come towards this divine feminine. Maybe they have already done all the traveling and everything, because traveling and everything is coming in the current situation. So either it's gonna happen in the next 2-3 days or it has already happened. But yeah, firstly, this was the thing that they were actually juggling from, this particular divine masculine was juggling from. And now this divine masculine is thinking that they're gonna come and speak to the divine feminine, but I again do not see that happening here with the Wheel of Fortune, because there will be a lot of battles that they'll have to fight. There could be some battles with their family, with their friends. I do see it's more of a family battle kind of a thing, because I don't know if this particular divine masculine's family is gonna agree to the divine feminine. So there's battles that this divine masculine is fighting. I mean, they came with some different thought, but all of a sudden things changed, and now they're all stuck in the arguments, they're all stuck in these battles that are going around. Let's see. I'm sorry, that's my phone. Just beeped. Let's see what else the current energy of this particular divine masculine is telling us. Especially in terms of divine feminine, how this divine masculine is in terms of the divine feminine. Yeah, money matters also. I do see there's a lot of problems coming in their financial life. Also, they thought when they're gonna come meet their family, and when they're gonna speak about divine feminine to their family is gonna be really happy about it, but that for some reason did not happen for this particular divine masculine. And now I do see right now this particular divine masculine is taking is getting stronger, and they are being the magician of their life. Like I do see this particular divine masculine, it could be an air sign or it could be a water sign. I do see that yeah, it could be water. It is a water sign. It could be an air sign for some, but it's definitely a water sign. And yeah, this particular divine masculine is gonna take charge of their life, and they're gonna come rushing towards the divine feminine. The speed that they are coming with is very fast, because this particular divine masculine thought their family is gonna like be okay with this whole situation, but no, it didn't. They didn't really support the divine masculine. So now they are coming towards you, and they will be coming with like full force, keeping everyone aside. And there'll be new beginnings for you. There'll be new beginnings for this particular relationship. Although you have been in relationship with this person, or whatever kind of a relationship, a friendship, or could be anything. So you guys are not going to be talking about that. You're just going to have a new beginning with this particular divine masculine. And this particular divine masculine, I do see, is an authoritative personality, is a very strong, stable personality, and they're just gonna cut everything that they're not even gonna start the discussion of when you guys were not together. And I didn't want to see, but underneath the deck we have the Ace of Wands, which again says there are new beginnings. So you definitely have new beginnings with this particular divine masculine. Let's see what their immediate future says, and if they want to convey something to our divine feminines. Immediate future for the divine masculine. Pretty stable in their energy. They're very stable. Okay, yeah. So they're gonna make the judgment. They're definitely gonna make the judgment, and they're gonna come towards you. You guys will be having the new beginning, because this is a soulful bond that cannot be broken. And both of you know this. We have the Devil card here. So this bond cannot be broken at all. And this time it's the divine masculine who will be coming towards you, divine feminines, which is pretty good. Okay, so we also have the Star card. So it's marriage for some of you, but cutting everybody off from their life. So maybe this divine masculine will get married to you, but I am not sure if the whole family, the whole divine masculine's family, will be involved in this situation. I don't see, because they are simply cutting their ties with their family, because they cannot cut this particular tie that is with you. And this time this divine masculine has made the judgment to come towards you, to have new beginnings, to have brightness with you, to have a new life. Let's see if the divine masculine wants to convey something to our divine feminines. Okay, so this we have the Ace of Wands. So definitely we have a lot of new beginnings for both of you, and that is what this Divine Masculine wants to tell you, that they are coming with their cup of love. So please wait patiently for them. There's gonna be sudden changes. They'll be coming really fast in your life. There'll be a lot of changes. There'll be a lot of sudden changes in your life as well as in the life of Divine Masculine, because I do see this Divine Masculine's family situation is not gonna be really good during this time. But they will be coming towards you, and they are coming towards you. You guys have new beginnings, you have marriage, you have everything. You have everything that's required for this relationship to work out. So for this particular relationship that I see during the Mercury retrograde, definitely I do see you guys meeting. So it is water sign. I see whosoever you're connecting with is definitely a water sign, water sign, water sign. Yeah. So that was your twin flame read. If this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want your personal read with me, I'll be posting the link in the description down below. Simply click on that, you'll be redirected to the website, and you can fill the consultation form, and we'll be in touch with you. Till then, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next read. Bye bye.